Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to unlock the mystery box at the Groesten Haus, if that's how it's pronounced. So what you're going to do is shoot all these lanterns that are around the map, and when you shoot them you'll see a little tiny blue flame or purple, whatever color you want to call it. You see? It'll pop up and yeah, it'll basically let you know that you shot the lantern. See? That one's too far. There we go. And we are almost done. I believe there's like 10 of them. I might be wrong. I'm not very good at counting. Let's take care of this guy. And here's my last one, I believe. Let's figure out how my progress is going. And there we have it. The mystery box is here. Hopefully that helps you guys out and extend your games. Yeah, have fun and remember to take care. See ya.